Hey, all you lady dragons out there, it's me again, Jess. Thanks for coming to check out the video. If you're not subscribed already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give me a big thumbs up because it super helps me out with this crazy YouTube algorithm. So I know I'm coming to you guys today looking a little whatever. I literally just got up. I do have somewhere to be later and I do have to do my hair. And I was like, I'm already going to be doing my hair and I need to record this wig. So I might as well just do the wig and then get ready for where I need to go. So that's what I'm doing. So without further ado, let's jump right in. So I do have a wig today from Luvme Hair. I love Luvme Hair. The wigs always come in this really pretty, nice, sturdy box. So I love this bag because you can just stick it in here, you can see what's inside, and you can lay it flat. It also comes with this little bag of goodies. It's usually like an edge brush, a baby hair scarf, and then like a little mirror, and then you get your wig cap. And obviously a little brochure that tells you how to refund your purchase, how to contact the brand, and how to care for your wig. I thought this wig was a bang wig. I've been like obsessed with bang wigs lately because they're just so easy to style and to put on, and you just literally throw it on and go. And I keep braids in my hair. My hair is always braided, so a bang wig is perfect. This one is a closure. It does have an elastic band. Love that for me. It has combs at the sides of your head. It has a comb at the top, which I never use this comb at the top. Only time I use the comb at the top is in V-part wigs because they're super crucial in a V-part. And then a comb in the back. I always use the comb in the back. And then the adjustable straps, which if it has an elastic band, I typically don't use either. And you guys know if the elastic band doesn't fit, you can always, if it's not tight enough, you can always just put a tuck in it and stitch it down to make it tighter. Now if it's too small, you probably want to just cut it and use the adjustable straps. So this lace, let's see what the color is looking like. The lace color isn't bad, but I am going to add some lace tint and some foundation to it. And then try this bad boy on. If you like my bonnet, this is available on Amazon as well as on my website, GLEEmade.com. I do sell my products on Amazon Prime, and so you can get these available on Amazon Prime as well. If you'd like to support the kid and grab one, feel free. Went ahead and sprayed some Evan lace tint spray in dark brown. I brushed my hair back using a small brush and some gel. Then I went ahead and applied a wig cap. I used a brown one that matches my skin tone. Cut the lace off of the wig and went ahead and put the wig on. Oh yeah, it does have a bang. That's what I thought. I was like, wait, I thought this was a bang wig. It does have a bang. Okay. But it just has the lace. That's nice. That's nice that it has a bang and it still has the lace. So I'm finally going to use this lace jelly that I've had for quite some time. I grabbed this little foundation brush online on Amazon, and I grabbed this boho jelly on Amazon. So I'm excited to finally give this bad boy a try. Probably don't need a whole lot. I'm gonna push the wig back a little bit. Luckily I have no makeup on my face, so I'm good on that front. Maybe I should dry it a little bit before I lay it down. They feel very tacky to me, but we'll see. It doesn't even feel tacky or sticky on my forehead. That's crazy. I don't see how this is doing anything to stick your hair down. Like, I could lift it right back up because it's not sticky. This is literally not sticky at all. Ooh, child. And the way people have been swearing by this stuff. So I went ahead and tried to dry the gel a little bit. I went ahead and put the baby hair scarf on that came with the wig, finger combed the wig out. I didn't have to curl it or add any curls to it because it came pre-curled. So I went ahead and just finger combed it out. I took the scarf off, laid the parting space. I decided to do curtain bangs, so the bangs were pushed to the side instead of directly in my face. Curled those bangs away from my face a little bit to create that curtain shape, and that was pretty much it for styling. So I went ahead and trimmed some layers so that the bang would kind of match up with the wig a little bit, but this step is not super necessary. I just do find that the curls flowed a little nicer once I gave it a slight trim. So I just did the left side and then I did the other side off camera. I took the baby hair scarf off and went ahead and finished styling the wig. So before I got ready to do my makeup, I went ahead and moisturized my skin with some toner and some moisturizer. Then I went ahead and did my makeup. Here it is all done. And I took the clips out and this is the finished product. I absolutely love this unit. I mean, it goes without saying. I absolutely love Luvme hair. Their quality is amazing. Their customer service is great and their shipping is super fast. So if you're curious about this wig and you want to check it out, I will leave links down below as well as a coupon code for you guys. So definitely make sure you check out Luvme hair. I really like this unit. I think the length is perfect. The curls that it comes with are bomb, and I love the idea of this bang wig that does have a closure, so it gives you that nice realistic lace look, but you can wear it as a bang unit or you can push the bangs to the side like I did and wear it as a curtain bang wig. If you guys have questions or I missed anything, leave it in the comments down below. Make sure you save this video, share it, share this video with a friend, share it with a wig lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.